Hey man, I do not think a lot of people expected this release to go like this for these Air Jordan 4s, but I was lucky enough to get a dub and to break these things out with you guys, kind of breaking down the release, talking about them, actually seeing how these look, because if these would have came out, you know what I'm saying, like 5, 6 years ago, I don't think it would have got a lot of buzz, and even transition all the way to 2024, it was a little bit of, mixed feelings, mixed vibes towards these joints right here. So let's go ahead and break them out. Let's check them out and see what we got recently that was quite more on the limited side in the release. Hey, things was going just like that, man. Yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in, bro. Once again, man, it's greatly appreciated. You guys did not have to tap in, but you did, and that's why I gotta take my hats off to you guys and say thank you from the bottom of my heart. But if you guys are new here to the channel, you're already rocking out with the vibes, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel, man. Every like counts, every subscriber counts, every supporter counts here at the channel. So any support you guys show is greatly appreciated, man. Of course, you guys can hit me up over on Instagram, link down below. Go check out my last video. I had a bunch of shoes up for sale. A lot of those are gone, but I do have a couple left. So if you guys want to or interested in anything, please hit me up on Instagram, link down below, or you can go check me out right here. All right, guys, it's time to get inside of the package. You guys see, like I said, man, straight from Nike. The shipping was super fast. These just released this past weekend. Took a dub. I was like, I want to see how these look. I want to give these the benefit of the doubt because it kind of looks like, one of them, Fugazi joints. Like, if I would have seen this colorway getting rumored and stuff like that, I was like, it's just a mock-up. We're never going to get it. But in honor of, a couple different things surrounding the sneaker, I do see why Nike did drop them. So let's go ahead and get into it. Before we do, while I'm talking, while I'm cutting this box open, please let me know what all sneakers you guys are interested in copping for the remainder of the year. We only got a couple of hot, releases to come. Air Jordan 3 Black Cements. And of course, bro, we got the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues, Fear 4s, Black Toe 14s, just to name a few. So if you guys are interested in any of those, please let me know, because I know it's a lot of people only waiting for 1 or 2 pairs of sneakers, and I didn't even mention the Air Jordan 9 Olives yet. So let me know what you guys are eyeing, and we go ahead and get into today's box. You guys see it, bro. You guys see it, man. We have a pair of Air Jordan 4s, traditional Air Jordan 4 box with the red Jumpman up top and the flight right underneath them things. You guys can see standard Air Jordan 4 box with the cement on the bottom and the official colorway reads. Like I said, bro, was not too pressed about these, wasn't too crazy about them. I said, I want to see, how these things is hitting for in person and kind of give you guys my honest opinion, my honest take over these joints. So the fish colorway reads Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro Orchid Neutral Gray and Black. And I got these things in the size 11 in women, which is a size 9.5 in men. So let's go ahead, check them out. First time seeing these in hand, of course. Didn't really see a lot of videos over these, but I was lucky enough to hit on the sneakers app and actually get them in hand. And yes, here they go, man. And they smell really good. The Air Jordan 4 Pink Orchids. Now, you guys can let me know exactly how you feel about them. My initial thoughts on this Air Jordan 4 was that, they look like something that, people made up or custom or something to that effect. But this is something that Nike actually dropped. And I think the main reason probably behind this is, of course, it's one exclusive, Breast Cancer Awareness Month and all that good jazz. And that's why I feel like, it's a little bit significant in that regard. But when you think about it in a typical Air Jordan 4 colorway, was not nothing that was too pressing. Like, you literally have a white cement Air Jordan 4, but you have the pink suede all on the upper. You guys see that pink suede? It came with extra black laces right here. And it actually is a clean pair of Air Jordan 4. Just something I definitely do not see myself wearing at all, because like I said, one, I like some big Lonnies, bro. They like some joints you got from across the water, but Nike actually released them. You guys know we kind of got a lot of Air Jordan 5s, like the blue suedes, the red suedes, the alternate grapes, those crazy suede colorways that you never expected Jordan to drop. And I do believe they're going to start doing that with the Air Jordan 4s. Before they do anything else, man, before they do anything else, we need the Air Jordan 4 Toro Bravo. So if we don't get nothing else, we need them Toro Bravo joints. We need them things to come back out, and hopefully we do get them next year, because they're dropping literally almost everything next year. They emptying the clip when it comes to releases, so we need them joints to come back ASAP Rock. So I had to grab the white cement Air Jordan 4s. Like I said, they are releasing in 2025. And you have the pink orchids, and they literally have the same hit on the entire sneaker. It is a little bit lighter, so I don't know where it is. Maybe just a little bit lighter, but in terms of the, you know, colorway, this is just pretty much a white cement, but you got the pink splash, and of course you only have the Jumpman on the back, and you have the pink on the outsole, you know, predominantly pink sneaker. And I'm saying the pink pair at the joints, whatever you want to call them. It's gonna be a lot of nicknames for these. And if you did snag a pair, you add a pair to the collection, please let me know in the comment section. Like I said, this is not a pair that I'm going to be keeping. This is something I just wanted to check out in hand. And they were a lot more limited than expected. Like I said, not a lot of people was talking about them because I think it is, you know, a predominantly women dominant colorway. It's all pink. You know, some, hey, men wear pink too. I ain't saying that they don't, but I do think that this is more tailored and geared towards the women's when it comes to these right here, man. Still like them, still super clean. Just something that me myself, I will not be wearing. Just want to check them out, see how they come in, because it seems like this year Jordan is doing a lot more different things in terms of colorway, in terms of the sneakers they are dropping. And this right here is a staple of that. Like, they went crazy with the RM Air Jordan 4s. They went crazy with the Jordan 4s this year, military blues, reimagined 4s, fears. We getting all types of slew of Air Jordan 4 colorways. So I was super interested, like I said, in seeing these. And the suede is really, really, you know, nothing too crazy, but it's real rugged. You know what I'm saying? You can definitely feel that texture all throughout these joints. Cement hits on the side, and of course you got your pink Jumpman on the tongue right here. So give you guys one more 360 look at these joints, man. Women's exclusive pink orchid Air Jordan 4s. You guys let me know if you here for them. Let me know if you cop. Let me know if you pass. Let me know if you think they trash too, because I know it's a lot of people that wasn't really feeling them. Nobody's really talking about them, but in terms of how limited they were, the low amount that they dropped throughout the entire US. It was like, I called every store. Nobody had these things, and I just, like I said, kind of shown how limited they were going to be when it comes to these all pink Air Jordan 4s, man. And I think it's also important to mention, like, we don't see stuff like this. We do not see it at all, so I hope nobody took this release for granted. Definitely a great breast cancer awareness sneaker right here. Dope presentation, dope quality, not bad at all. Just like I said, I can't wear them. I'm gonna keep them for a little bit just to check them out, of course, but then after that, things definitely is gonna walk the plank, and these things is going to whoever wants this 9.5 Air Jordan 4 pink orchid. But these right here is what everybody is waiting for, the Air Jordan 3 remastered, or the black cement. Somebody commented the other day, said these are not the remasters anymore, it's just the black cement 3s. So you guys can let me know what y'all heard about that. To my knowledge, this whole year is the remaster, not the reimagine, but I'm still super interested in, you know, what they were talking about. Maybe I'm tripping, you know what I'm saying? I don't know everything. I'll be learning a lot from you guys in the comment section, but the next huge release, black cement 3s with the light skin elephant print on the heels and the toe box. Let me know if you got a pair. Let me know if you're ready for this shot drop coming very, very soon. We are entering November. If you guys remember what I said when I unboxed these, I think we're gonna see 2 shot drops, the Legend Blue 11s, and for these joints right here. So we shall see how it goes. A lot of stuff coming out next month. So, hey, I don't know what Nike's gonna do, but I know everybody is waiting to cop a pair of the Air Jordan 3 black cements. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Make sure you leave a huge like before you slide today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already, and make sure hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do drop over here. I love y'all. Appreciate all the support. Go tap in with me on Instagram. We're gonna buy some sneakers I showed in my last video. Trying to let them things go. And always been said, man, your boy The Vintage. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.